So if you want to buy things with PayPal, but you don't want to use your bank or card details, this is what you can do. So the options you have is, so for example, if you're making a purchase on eBay, so you can simply check out with PayPal when you check out on eBay, and then without providing any of your card or your bank details, just select PayPal. But to do that, you need to have balance or funds in your PayPal, right? So only if you have your PayPal balance, if you have funds that are available or sufficient to cover your purchase, then you will be able to use the PayPal when you check out. But the first thing here is we need to add balance to your PayPal. So if you don't want to use your bank or credit card, then a couple of options you have in order to add balance to your PayPal. Firstly is the very easy one is receiving money from others. So if you have a friend or a family member, you just ask them to send funds to your PayPal account via your email or phone number. Just send it to your PayPal account. In that way, you will have the funds. That's the most easiest one. Or if you don't have that, then next what you can do, you can try to add funds through at retailers, because some retailers like Walgreens or 7-Eleven, they have the options where they can send or deposit money to your PayPal account if you give them the details. So you can do that too. If you have the if your area or if your location supports that function to do that, you can try that. And another way that you can do is you can use like a prepaid or a virtual card. So you can purchase a prepaid card or a virtual card, for example, like PaySafe card. So this is an online card. You can simply purchase these online. So once you have this PaySafe card, so you can now add this PaySafe card to your PayPal. So you can simply go to your wallet, or okay, go to your wallet and then just link this PaySafe card here. So click on link a card and then link it to your PayPal. So in that way, you will able to add your balance to your PayPal. So once you have the balance, now you can easily simply use like PayPal when you check out or when you make any online shopping or when you make any purchase. So you can simply check out with PayPal. In that way, you don't really have to provide your bank details or your card details. So see that these are the options that you have at the moment. So hope this information video helps.